मैं हूं अतुल चावला प्रेरिट डिजाइन एकेडमी से, एक ऐसी एकेडमी जो NSDC से अप्रूव्ड है ग्राफिक डिजाइन के अंदर, UI UX के अंदर। तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है और इसको अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा। इस तरह हम एक अच्छा करियर बना सकते हैं। व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली UI UX, व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली ग्राफिक डिजाइन। और अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो हमारे काउंसलर आपको हेल्प करेंगे टू गेट यू अ गुड कोर्स। आपको एक अच्छी इंटर्नशिप चाहिए फॉर ग्राफिक डिजाइन, तो इस कोर्स को जरूर जल्द से जल्द आप रजिस्टर कराइए, अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स पाइए और अच्छे टीचर्स के साथ एक करियर बनाइए।
Today I will share learning you guys for this workshop. Yes, we did something called I gave a command. Where do you see such interactions happening in this digital era? Command and respond interactions. Every digital devices that you have, WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, you have these digital interactions happening where you command something and there is a response. Are living in a highly automated world. Do you understand? But what is automated? Everything that is surrounding us responds to our existence. Our 40% jobs are going to get automated. There is AI illustration, ChatGPTs, illustrations that can create clothes at a snap. What are those skills which robots cannot replicate? Robots cannot replicate unique human traits and capabilities. The thing is social intelligence, perception, and creativity. In design, we have something called empathy that addresses those human traits which the robots cannot take. In actual empathy, I feel what you're feeling. I see what you're saying. Empathy is a skill. Ability to see the world through people's eyes. In design, empathy, जो AI robots नहीं कर सकता है, जो ChatGPT नहीं कर सकता है, जो AI illustrations नहीं कर सकता है, वो empathy आप कर सकता है। और ये डिजाइन में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। स्किल जो है ये फ्यूचर स्किल का सबसे नंबर 1 स्किल है, empathy. You are a UX designer, you are a fashion designer, or you are from interior design background, skill is going to be the number 1 skill in the future. Emotions, conscience, that a robot cannot replicate. Design में empathy का काम क्या है? In design, you deeply understand people's emotions, people's thoughts, right? You deeply understand people's problems and their realities.
If we talk about how user experience field is evolving, basically there is a lot of digitalization happening right now. Means that every product which we use right now in our day-to-day life and the services which we use, they are coming to digital platforms. Your mobile phones, your laptops, smartwatches, everything is synchronized. You can do everything on a digital platform. This is all what the field of user experience is all about, that how we can make it all user friendly. For example, if you use any of an application, it's a shopping application, your shopping experiences. So what you see on the screen is your user interface part. So your sense of color combinations, which we use in the basic designing skills, is with the sense of styling, font styles, the placements, everything that is your user interface design. But how it will function, for example, have you tried printed Zato in any of that? So how will I place my order? How will I track my order? How will my product section look like? How will my payment gateways work? The amount of payment methods which we can integrate, the better payment methods I can integrate with. This is all is part of the user experience. Earlier we used to have to type entire, user ID and password. Now we don't have to type it all. There's a yes. Plus there is a QR login options now. Earlier it was troublesome for us. Now it is getting better for us. This is all what is the job of a user experience designer is. That making things user friendly. So what problems users are facing, understanding users' problem, researching about it, coming up with new solutions, what can be done. There's a new option, view in AR. What the view in AR is that using the AR filter technology.
Image.
Yes.
Yeah.
So जो भी आप
Right.
food, yeah. If this features comes up well, this will revolutionize the entire food shopping industry. I'm ordering a pack of biryani, or even if I'm ordering a pack of paneer vegetable, I see first that what the final image is going to look like. Now that is the animation AR part, but making these things possible for the user is the job of the user experience designer. So it is everywhere. Every industry is hiring for UX designers. If you are having a couple of products from same brand, even for an example, like I have a couple of air purifiers and room heaters of Philips. I can even track them on my application because they're all synchronized. Application from LG where I can just track all these things, all the details, next level into the field of digitalization. 6 साल बाद, your life is going to be entirely dependent on digital platforms and products. This is where there is the field of UX designers is lying, and there is so many opportunities because in the field of UX design, अगर आप बाकी design fields को compare करते हैं, there is a limitation of the job profiles. For example, अगर मैं graphic design industry की बात करता हूँ, there is a certain growth in the industry. आप जाएंगे senior graphic designer, senior visual designer. At some point, there is a limitation. With the field of other things, for example, you go to visual design because not enough job roles are available. But with the field of UX design, there is so much scope available. Why? Because there are segmented job roles in this field. So very good with the research part. You are very good with your user research. Right? If you think that you are very good with the research part, you can choose job profile of user researcher. Voice command feature AI का example है. But to make these integrations happen, AI cannot do all these things for me. AI cannot replace the user touch. For example, अगर आप एक बैंक application के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, there are going to be different segments of the user base for you. Normal people भी होंगे, your businessmen are also going to be there. एक normal farmer भी होगा, जिसका daily schedule different है. लैंग्वेज प्रेफरेंस डिफरेंट है. तो जो भी डेटा एनालिटिक्स हो रहा है, आपका एआई जो भी फिल्टर्स आपके लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं, इंटीग्रेशंस वर्क कर रहे हैं, इट इज अल्टीमेटली कमिंग टू द पॉइंट ऑफ यूजर एक्सपीरियंस. सो नो मैटर टेक्नोलॉजी कितना भी बढ़ जाए, अल्टीमेटली यूजर एक्सपीरियंस डिजाइनर्स आर गोइंग टू बी देयर इन द इंडस्ट्री. सो UX is one of the fields in which we are providing our courses. And there is another field that is of game design and animation. That concepting of the game, character creation, everything, then your animation, everything, your VFX, 2D animation, 3D animations, everything. This is all a part of your game design and animation. We are teaching UX designs in India since 2014. So we started with UX certifications. In 2014, we work as a corporate certification partner for ITC, AMAX, and Cognizant.